Team D brand concrete cutting machine operating instruction. Hydraulic power unit for concrete cutting machine. The special motor can be dismounted from the power unit easily, only turn off the screws on both sides. The hydraulic power unit with 2 solid wheels move freely on the construction side. The wheels are fixed by the bolts, convenient for installation and maintenance. Possess waterproof, explosion-proof 2 functions. Coupled with the waterproof power plug, enables the power unit to work in harsh construction environments, even in rainy days. Improve the severe environment adaptability. Exceptionally, in times of emergency, press the emergency power off switch on the electrical box. It will stop working immediately. Besides, it has a tumbler switch. Adjust the reverse running of motor. The motor has been set for clockwise rotation and reversible direction is in shutdown state. You just need to adjust the tumbler switch while the motor rotates inversely in order to ensure the normal operation of the hydraulic power unit. The 2 handles are flexible and adjustable. The height can be adjusted according to the operator's height. It also can be hidden, convenient for packing and transportation. With 2 rings on the power unit, it can be lifted up handily to the designated location. Turn on the oil filler. Fuel with model TD46 special liquid oil, supplied by the Shell companies. Hydraulic oil hose connector is used to quick coupler, easy to install and dismount. When installing, check and keep the hose clean. The power unit has high-efficiency water cooling system, water inlet and outlet in it. For hydraulic oil cooling, the multi-way valve has 2 handles. One handle is for the saw head traveling, the other handle is for the saw head swiveling. The 2 grips of multi-way valve can be changed arbitrarily. At the rear end of the power unit, there are 2 high-pressure bore valves. The left side is speed transmission, the right side is the motor starter. Below the valves, there are 4 pieces interchangeable quick couplers, including 2 pieces for swiveling and 2 pieces for traveling, and the other 3 are for driving. New arrival power unit with wireless remote controller. The effective operating distance up to 200 meters, and possess wireless remote and cable connecting 2 functions. Moreover, it can automatically identify the metal and other objects in the construction process due to automatic cruise function. The wireless remote controller provides not only high power, but a number of information such as power level, operating time, service period, etc. Truly unmanned operation, so that the operator can get greater freedom of movement in the workplace, greatly improving the efficiency and safety. Hydraulic wall saw. The wall saw machine mainly consists of drive head, rail system and saw blades. Of course, the protective cover is also essential. The 2-track feet can be fixed on any concrete surface only by 2 expansion screws. When the concrete surface is uneven, you can also adjust the screw height of the machine foot until the track is in the horizontal position. Firstly, adjust the eccentric pin. Pull the wrench of any side of the machine. The head can be fixed on the track. Ensure that the front wheel and the back wheel fully engaged in the rail on both sides of the track. If you find that the drive head swing on the track, adjust the hexagon screws of the wrench until it will not swing. The wall saw drive head adapts the large motor and the swivel gearbox. Enhance the cutting torque. The traveling gear and the rail rack are engaged and interlocked securely, which can improve the cutting wire saw, the torque and the working accuracy. Swiveling arm. Rotate flexibly at 360 degrees. Be able to cut deeper parts. The oil filler for swiveling arm needs to be added to 00 type gear oil at a fixed time. Wire saw with large flywheel. Large flywheel wire saw is a dual-purpose machine. Can do as wire saw, also can do as the wall saw. It mainly consists of drive head, rail system, and large flywheel. It can be disintegrated into 3 parts. The 2-track feed can be fixed on any concrete surface only by 2 expansion screws. Firstly, adjust the eccentric pin. Ensure that the front wheel and the back wheel fully engaged in rail on both sides of the track. Pull the wrench of any side of the machine. The head can be fixed on the track. If you find that the drive head swings on the track, adjust the hexagon screws of the wrench until it will not swing. Hydraulic wire saw with vertical frame. The wire saw with vertical frame is composed of a walking track system, a driving wheel group, an auxiliary wheel group, and a protective cover. The machine frame can be disintegrated into 3 parts, convenient for installation and transportation. The auxiliary wheel group is composed of 4 fixed wheels and 2 universal wheels. It can be fixed on the track by 4 special hexagon screws. If you want to cut off the object in the leaning position, unload the 2 fixed wheels on both sides, mount the 2 universal wheels. The rail system is extendable and adjustable, enable it to carry out multi-angle cutting by using the universal wheels. The 2-track feed can be fixed on any concrete surface by only 1 expansion screws. Firstly, adjust the eccentric pin. Pull the wrench of any side of the machine. The head can be fixed on the track. Ensure that the front wheel and the back wheel fully engaged in rail on both sides of the track. If you find that the drive head swings on the track, adjust the hexagon screws of the wrench until it will not swing. The driving wheel group adapts the structure of double drive motor and hydraulic precision working. Traveling motor power is strong. The traveling gear and the rail rack are engaged securely, improve the cutting tension and working accuracy. The whole wire saw frame system can be fixed on any concrete surface by only 1 clamping piece and expansion screw when the concrete surface is uneven. You can also adjust the screw height of the machine foot until the track is in the horizontal position. Installation is very easy, greatly improving the work efficiency and construction safety. Supplies and saves more than half of the same products. Reduce costs, improve competitiveness. Before starting, check the hydraulic oil capacity, temperature, hydraulic meter and the voltage meter. Then, connect the water hose to the saw head special connector. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the high-pressure valve, and then rotate the throttle switch slowly on the mounted valves. Clockwise is the gas valve. The counterclockwise is to reduce the throttle. When get the appropriate flow, the cutting work can be done. Remember, the throttle can be adjusted according to the cutting load. If the load is too large, adjust the throttle to be smaller. And if load is too small, adjust the throttle to be bigger. Hydraulic drilling machine. The drilling machine can be adjusted according to the needs of the construction and easily achieve the inverted, horizontal, vertical, and other arbitrary angle for drilling operations. The drilling machine can be operated only connect 2 hydraulic hoses and a water hose to the hydraulic power unit. At the same time, interchange 3 kinds of different motor to achieve different power. It is suitable for various drilling environment from 600 to 1000 mm holes. Strong power matches any items of TD hydraulic power unit and other brands as well. It can do drilling work up to underwater 100 meters, ensure safety and high efficiency. TND, stable quality, reliable supplies, help you reduce costs, humanization design for your security. Ensure project successfully. Choose TND, economically benefit.